fuck? Banger. Hey. I feel like I could do better, but I don't want to. Thing is that I can't say what I want to say because I'm gonna sound extremely racist. At least to people that don't know I'm gonna sound really racist, but I really wanted to say it. The thing is that it's a black cat, you know? I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. He was pissing me off. He was pissing me off. I was really close to saying something that could be clipped out of context, and it would be so bad. It just wouldn't look good. It just wouldn't look good. How does bro still have a contract with Nietzsche? Man, I literally caught myself. I literally stopped myself from saying it. What do you mean? I'm PR trained, bro. Do you know how many times during this level I wanted to scream, "Fuck you, you black bitch"? I was so close to saying that, but I didn't. I held my tongue. I was so close, but I didn't say it. I was close, all right? All right, bitch. Step off. Please don't say that on my stream. I'm not gonna get fired. All right, bitch. See you side-eyeing me. I don't think I did any better. Oh! Never mind! Get ready to make a YouTube apology, bruh. Bruh. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. It's not the first joke I made about my people, and it's not gonna be the last. Besides, everybody who knows knows.